All right. Dozer, Libby. We're just going to walk them around each other for a little bit. Let's just walk. He's past his doggy vows. We just don't have any video of it. Libby was said to be, she got a C because she was rushing at the helper dog. But I think it was more like she just didn't have any exercise before, and she has today. Come on, let's go. Let's go. She didn't seem real interested. Come on, Dozer. It's hard to keep my eye on both you guys when you're in different places. Hi, baby girl. Whoop. Get on the right side. Here we go.
Did you just give him a kiss?
He kisses.
Yeah.
And then Karen tripped over her foot and missed it.
Oh, and Dozer found a ball.
Yeah. Ball boy. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, come on. Come here, buddy. Let him smell her.
Who's that?
Come here, Dozer. Come here, buddy. Good boy. Oh.
Can you guys be any less interested?
I know. Come on.
Hi.
Good girl.
Be careful with your leg, handsome.
Yeah, got a little limp going. Aw, looking for love. Oh, tell us. He's like, get me out of here. I want to play ball. Just a little timid right now, huh? Good girl. Whoop. Okay, we're going this way.
We have a pool with no water. What the heck?
Come here. Come here, guys. Can you guys come and join so I don't have to span this? Come here, Mama. Libby. Over. He's just like, I'm done. He can go wherever he wants. I'm not making him go anywhere.
Chicken too.
I know. Just want that to be known. All right, we're good.